Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do weekly love reading for Leo fire sign for the month of November, and this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your first card, Leo, for the reading. Whole lot of what's okay. Your first card, King of Wands, Seven of Wands, Justice. Libra, you or your person could be, and lot of fire energy, you or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. And Seven of Wands with King of Wands, definitely you are very passionate about for something, and Seven of Wands, definitely you don't want to give up on this connection at any cost. It could be you or your person energy, could be vice versa, but I am telling, yeah, you are very passionate and you stand by your power, King of Wands, but you are very passionate about this connection and you don't want to give up. Definitely one person in this connection wants second chance. I think it could be you and your person also. Definitely you, if you want second chance, definitely you don't want to give up on this connection. If it is your person, definitely your person wants second chance with you. They are very passionate about you. So let's see some more. Okay, Six of Wands, Seven of Cups, Knight of Pentacles. Yeah, lot of fire energy, you or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sag. And Six of Wands, Seven of Cups and Knight of Pentacles, very slow moving energy. And one person in this connection maybe in confusion or maybe have some options in their life. Six of Wands, but one person want success in this relationship. They are very passionate about this connection and they don't want to give up. They want success in this connection. They won't be like this. But one person in this connection is in confusion state and they are in very slow moving energy. It could be you or your person. Ten of Wands, the High Priestess, the Star. Wow. Yeah, one person in this connection feeling very burdened, overburdened. Ten of Wands, maybe due to relationship or some other reasons also, like career and finance. High Priestess, definitely one person trusting intuition. Definitely trust your intuition if you are not, because intuition never goes wrong. And the Star, definitely Star, still they are hoping for this connection. The Star is you or your person could be Aquarius also. Definitely it is a positive sign. Yeah, they are still, one person still hoping for this connection. For some, you both are wishing for this connection, but one person in confusion state, very slow moving. Let's pull some more cards. Princess of Swords, the Magician, the Sun. Wow. At the end of the day, definitely there is positive ending between both of you. Those who are in separation, definitely there is a chance for reconciliation. Those who are not in separation, your love life is going to be next level, because the Magician and the Sun and Princess of Swords, definitely some communication. And one person in this connection have so much clarity. They are very clarity. They are in so much clarity. They know what to do and what not to do. I think the one person, it's you, I think, Leo, because you are very passionate about this connection. And for some, it could be your person wants second chance with you. Definitely the Magician and Sun, if you want your person back, definitely you are in one person in this connection in Magician energy. What you are wishing for, definitely you will going to be manifest. So the Sun is also positive outcome, definitely positive result. If you are waiting for reconciliation, definitely it will happen. So let's see your person current feelings and their actions. Then we will get more clarity about the situation, what is going between both of you. So let's see your person current feelings first. Leo, your person current feelings. Okay, Queen of Pentacles, Eight of Pentacles, Six of Swords. So Queen of Pentacles, Eight of Pentacles and Six of Swords. Definitely your person want to offer equal give and take this time, because Eight of Pentacles means working on this relationship. In past, they did not put equal effort in this connection, but now they want to offer equal effort in this connection, and they want to put effort in this connection, because Eight of Pentacles is very slow energy but stable. Definitely they want to offer stable this time and solid also. And Six of Swords, this could be long distance relationship. You or your person maybe live in different cities and different countries or different states. Some communication is going to be happen between both of you. Yeah, because Six of Swords means moving towards calm water, and if any disagreements between both of you, definitely one person want to clear those disagreements. And Eight of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles, definitely they want to share their love with you and their feelings, their emotions with you. So let's pull some their near future actions towards you. Leo, your person near future actions. Seven of Wands 2 times. Definitely they don't want to give up on this connection. And Emperor, Judgment. Yeah, they want second chance. Justice. Yeah, they made the decision that is they want to work on this relationship. For some your person may be working on their career and finances. Still they don't want to give up on this connection. Definitely, because Judgment is here, and Emperor and Seven of Wands. Yeah, you or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sag, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. All energies are here, but your person don't want to give up on this connection. Definitely they want second chance. Justice and Judgment is here. Definitely one person reaching another person for second chance in this connection. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. See, Eight of Wands, Seven of Pentacles, two cards, but I am not taking. Five of Wands, Six of Pentacles. Yeah, definitely this time in past there is no equal give and take, but in future there will be. Yeah, Five of Wands, definitely some disagreements, some fighting is going between both of you, or is already happened between both of you, and one person is already invested in this connection and waiting for the result. Yeah, but another person did not put as much as effort as the other person put in this connection, but now that person is also want to invest equal give and take in this connection. And Eight of Wands, definitely some changes are coming in your relationship. There are very rapid change, because Eight of Wands is fast moving energy. Definitely there will be communication between both you and your person, back and forthly. Yeah, definitely this relationship is going to be next level if you both want to work on this relationship. Yeah, there is a chance if you both want to offer equal give and take. Definitely it will take this relationship to next level. So yeah, communication is coming. Definitely Eight of Wands, some positive changes we will see. And let's see your overall energy for the week, Leo. See, Ace of Cups, Death, and Three of Wands. Definitely long distance relationship. And Death, definitely you are undergoing some transformation. You or your person could be Scorpio also. And the Ace of Cups, definitely you also love your person, and also you also love yourself, because in recent times I am getting you are working on yourself, like self love and self growth. Yeah, I think the one person who in manifesting energy is you after the transformation, Leo, but your person is fighting for you. Five of Wands, definitely your person want to you back. They want second chance. I am getting second chance, and some communication is coming in your way. So let's see your person overall energy for the week, Leo. So the Sun, Ace of Cups, the Magician. Wow, your person, I think your person may be in manifesting energy. I think you both are manifesting each other. And Ace of Cups, definitely both cards, these cards, Ace of Cups, definitely they love towards you is also overflowing. The Sun, I think these cards are your person cards I am getting, or you both also got these cards. You both may be in manifesting energy, or one person in this connection could be in manifesting energy. Energy could be vice versa. So let's see. Yeah, your person also wishing for this connection. They are also manifesting you. But one person in this connection may be manipulative also. I think your person Leo, because magician sometimes maybe in sometimes calls he's a manipulative, but not all the time, sometimes. So definitely I think you both are want this connection, you both are manifesting you back. Definitely you both want, your love towards each other is overflowing. Yeah, your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, lot of earth energy, or Aries, Leo, Sag, fire energy. Lot of fire energy and earth energy is here. So this is the reading for you, Leo. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys, and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Bye. Thank you so much for the support.